Students, standard 5, please open your junior grammar and composition book, page 31. So today we will do the passive voice forms. We will have to do some passive voices forms. That means it is given in you for the future time. It is the clues for the future time. So here I shall do this work. This is the sentence. So how it will be passive when it is in active sentence? I shall do this work. What type of passive sentence will be? So it is given by arrow marking. So please see, this is I is subject, shall do is the verb, this work is the object. So first thing is, when it will be active voice to passive voice sentence, the object will come to first to be written at the beginning of the sentence. The object will be written, then the verb will come to the middle position. Before it was in the middle position, verb will come to that middle position, and it will have what it will be. That means shall be or will be added in that verb. Shall be or will be added in that verb, in that main verb. So that will be done. Subject will be, subject in object form will be, that means subject will come to the object, by will be added, and the object form will be me. I or the object form will be me. So by me. So this is the future time has been active voice future time has been changed to the passive voice future time. Understood? So this is the first. The next we come to what this work will be done, already completed. This shall have, will have plus V3. That means V3 means past participle. Shall have been, will have been plus shall have or will have be, shall have been or will have been with or plus V3 will be added. So they will have repaired the road. They will have repaired the road. So like the first formula. So this is the object will come to the first, the verb will be at the middle, and the subject will go to the object place, so that the road will have been repaired by them. So this is object, verb, and subject in object form. So you come to the modal auxiliary verb plus verb 1. In the active voice, the passive voice will be modal auxiliary verb plus B plus V3. That means past participle. So I can speak English. I can speak English. So when it will be passive, English can be spoken by me. That means object, verb, subject in object form. So you come to the modal auxiliary verb plus have plus V3, and it will be the passive modal auxiliary verb plus have been plus V3. The police could have arrested the thief. The answer will be, the thief could have been arrested by the police. We have already covered page 31. So that we have completed it. We will read it another page on tomorrow. Have a nice day, my dear students. Thank you. Till then, if there is any doubt, let me know very soon in our school app. Have a nice day. Thank you again.